Question clients frequently ask me about is the damages caps in a medical malpractice case and how they work. In 2003, something called tort reform passed, which served to place caps or limits on the amount of money you can recover in a medical malpractice case. Those caps apply to non-economic damages. What are non-economic damages? Non-economic damages are things like pain and suffering, mental anguish, that are hard to place a value on. So non-economic damages are capped. Economic damages, on the other hand, are things like lost wages or future care that a person may require in the future due to negligence. Economic damages, unlike non-economic damages, are not capped. The cap for non-economic damages is $250,000. There's one cap that applies to doctors, and there's one cap that applies to hospitals. You can have 10 negligent doctors, but you still have one cap of $250,000. You can have 10 different plaintiffs, family members bringing a lawsuit due to the death of a loved one. You still have that one cap of $250,000. Now, if you have both a negligent doctor or negligent doctors and a negligent hospital, you would have a cap of $500,000. That's because hospitals also have their own cap of $250,000. There is the possibility to have a non-economic damages cap of $750,000, but that would require there to be two facilities that were independently negligent. So you would have to have two separate hospitals, for example, that had been negligent and a negligent doctor, and in that situation, you could have a non-economic damages cap of $750,000. While you have that non-economic damages cap, we discussed before how economic damages are not capped. However, in the situation where you have a wrongful death case and a person has died, there is a cap. That cap is around $1.8 to $1.9 million. It adjusts with inflation. And so if you have a person, even if that person makes $2 million a year and that person dies, you still could never ever recover more than around $1.9 million in that case. Now, in a situation that's not a wrongful death case, but where you're suing for personal injury in medical malpractice, such as, for example, a birth injury case, where a child may require millions of dollars of care into the future, there's no damages cap. Those damages can be unlimited. And so that's a brief overview of the damages caps in medical malpractice cases in Texas. They can be complex, complicated, and I always advise people, for more information, go talk to a lawyer. Thanks.